It's a fight between father and cat. He's like, don't even try it. Wait, I'm busy recording.
Yeah, right, man. Watch the other hand now. You know it's there.
I got you.
Yeah, yeah. He hooked up. He's gonna cost you a bit.
Afterwards, I want to see the small video on some battle scars. He didn't like that at all. Oh, let's see that one right there. Ugh, that cat got you good. Any comments from the winner of this fight? Any whatsoever?
There's no winner. That's round one.
You heard it from me. Any comments, Mr. Cato? Any comments?
Yeah, that sucker better watch himself. I'll get him. Where's the kitty nibbles?
You heard it straight from the cat and the father. This is Braden Ward, signing off and telling all you YouTube account users, subscribe and comment. And rate. Special guest stars, some popcorn. See ya.